Hi Lakshmi Narayana, how are you?
Fine, sir. What about you, sir?
I'm good too. Thank you. So can you tell us something about yourself?
Yes, sir. I am Lakshmi and I completed graduation in AS Engineering College in the stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering. And technical skills are Java with Selenium and manual testing and SQL and beginner of API testing. And projects I did the Orange HRM hybrid automation framework. And other is Arduino robotic arm with smartphone control, which is academic project. And hobbies are playing cricket, bodybuilding. That's all about it, sir. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Okay, great, great. What do you know about OOPS concepts?
Tools I took the Selenium tool, sir, to automate to the application as passive test cases. So passive test cases we need to automate to the application, sir. Instead, so we can reduce the manual power, sir.
So which are the OOPS pillars? Which are the OOPS concepts that you are aware about?
Selenium tool, sir.
Sorry?
Can you come again, sir? Question.
So I'm asking about the OOPS concepts that you are aware about.
Tools, sir.
OOPS concepts.
Selenium
Object-oriented
tools.
programming. Yeah.
Object oriented.
Programming concepts that you are aware
Oops,
about.
oops concept, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Can I explain, sir?
Yeah, yeah. So which are the OOPS concepts that you are aware about?
Yes, sir. Object-oriented programming language. We will create the object for the classes, and it consists of the encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, and polymorphism.
Okay, great, great. So, which are the types of inheritance that you are aware about?
I know about the single inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, inheritance. That's all.
And what about hierarchical inheritance?
Yeah, sir. Hierarchical
Okay,
inheritance.
great. So, let's do one thing. Can you write a simple program for single level inheritance?
Yes, sir.
I have given you screen sharing rights. You can click on share screen button, the green color button.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Screen is visible, sir.
Yes, yes, it's visible.
Completed, sir.
Done? Okay.
Yeah.
So, can you explain this program once?
Yes, sir. I take the parent class as the A, sir. And this is the method inside this, sir, demo method.
Hmm.
And I want to print the execute that. This is a, I want to print here, println.
Hmm.
Executing the parent class, sir. And this is a child class, sir. As class B is the child class, it will extend the parent class. And it consists of the demo one method. And I want to execute in the child class, executing the child class. As we keep the extends keyword, it will occupy the both the parent class and the child class properties, sir. So I created the object for the child class, and I called the two methods in this with this reference variable. I called the demo and the demo one. So it will execute in the parent class and execute in the child class.
Okay. What is JVM?
JVM is nothing but the Java virtual machine, sir. It will convert the bytecode into the machine code.
Okay. So, uh, what is the role of JVM? Why do we need JVM?
For executing purpose, sir.
Mm-hmm. Fine.
Machine,
Right.
it will convert the machine code. I mean, bytecode into the machine code,
Correct.
so
Correct.
that
So,
our code is secure, more secure.
yes,
Only
yes.
the, yeah, yes, sir. Only the JVM can understand, not the person or the system can understand
Right, right.
that bytecode.
See, you have your Java source code. It would be converted into the compiler. It would be converted into the bytecode for the Java compiler, right?
Yes, sir.
And that JVM can execute the code for Windows machine, for Linux, for Mac. So irrespective of the OS, independent of the OS, it can execute the program, right? So your execution of .exe file can happen on Windows, it can happen on Linux, it can happen on Mac OS as well. So irrespective of the OS, the JVM will take care of executing the program, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. Great. Which are the different memory storages that are available with JVM?
Different memory storage, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Memory storages, not I. Okay.
Okay, okay. No worries, no worries. So let me tell the answer for this question. Uh, See, you have different memory storages. So one is class area, one is heap, one is stack, one is PC register, one is native method stack, right? So these are the different memory areas that are allocated by the JVM. Okay.
Yes, yes, sir.
And
Yes, I have.
sorry,
I have, sir.
yeah,
And the stack will have the fixed memory, and heap will we can change the memory as it
correct.
consists of the objects. We can I mean finalize keyword we can use, and we can delete
Right.
the that yeah, I have that.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. So now you are able to recall, right? So
Yes,
this
sir.
is a very important interview question that you can get in the real-time interview as well.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, sir.
Okay. What is the difference between JVM, JRE, and JDK?
JDK is nothing but the Java development kit, sir. It is the Java full-fledged software, sir. And
Hmm.
we can download from the, it is Java, JDK we can download from the Oracle as it belongs to the Oracle company. And JRE, Java Runtime Environment, sir. We have in this and bin folder, we have the libraries which are helpful to for the execution purpose, sir. And JVM is nothing but the Java virtual machine, and it will convert the bytecode into the machine code.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What is static keyword in Java?
Sir,
What is static keyword in Java? Static keyword?
yeah, sir. I learned.
Yeah.
Static is the non-access modifier, sir, and we use for it for the variables, methods, and block of code, sir. And
Hmm.
if we use the it for variables and the methods, we will directly call it with the class name dot method name, class name dot variable name. And if we use for the static block, sir, first the JVM will execute the static block, then other variables and the methods it will execute.
Okay. So do we have to create an object as well for static block?
No, 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 sir,
Not necessary, right?
not
Correct.
necessary. That is the
Yes.
purpose of the using the static
Static
keyword.
keyword. Yes. So static keyword is used for memory management. You don't need to create an object
Yes,
for
sir.
this particular static block.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
What is the difference between throw and throws in Java?
Throws is to handle the checked exception, sir.
Sorry, which one you are telling to handle the exception?
Checked exception, sir. Throws and throw is to custom and we will and throw and I mean the user will throw an exception, sir,
Mm-hmm.
intentionally, and throws to I mean for the checked exceptions, sir, to handle the exception like IO exceptions,
Okay.
SQL
See.
exceptions.
So is there any other difference between the two?
Throw and throws.
Hmm.
That is it.
That's it.
That's it, sir.
Okay. Okay. See, if you get this question, you can answer in this manner. The throws keyword is used, right, in the method signature to declare that a method might throw one or more exceptions, right? It can happen that it might throw, it might not, right? The throw keyword is used to explicitly throw an exception from a method, right? So this is the difference between the throw and the throws, right? Now,
Yes.
uh, let us go to one of the programming question. Okay. So you have to take one string. Let's say we have this string. Okay. So we have this string, which is testing. Okay, this is a string. Now you have to write the program to print the vowels count that are coming in this string, right? So what you have to do is you have to count the number of vowels. So what is vowels? You have A, you have
A
E,
E I O U, sir.
right? I, O, U, right? So you have to write the program to print the count of these vowels that are coming in this particular string, right? Is this clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Then can you share your screen? Then let us see the program. You got the question, right? You have a string which is testing, and you have to print the count of those vowels that are coming in that string.
Yes, sir. Logic I am not getting, sir, here. A dot.
Sorry, can you please come again?
Here, logic I am not getting, sir.
You can
Just
try.
streaming.
No worries, no worries. You can try. See what you have to check this in this particular string. If it contains A, or if it contains E, or if it contains I or O. So you have to add or condition,
Okay, okay, sir. I will.
right? Solution is simple. With respect to fresher, you can expect this question.
Sir,
Great, great, wonderful, wonderful. See, let me share my code. It's the same thing, the same approach, right? It is just that you have to convert first string to the lowercase, right? And you have to take this variable, the for loop you also started, and you have to take this a dot character at of I equal to a or e or I or u, right? And then we'll increment. So I think this logic you implemented it well, right? It is just that these two things you have to take care. right? REST logic
I
was
given,
what
sir. Into count also I given, sir.
you did that thing as well.
Yeah, sir.
Oh,
I did.
okay,
Yes,
great, great. Then the entire program you were able to write, right? So in an
yes, sir.
interview
Same
also,
program, sir. I did.
yeah, wonderful. So in an interview also, you have to take some time. Never
Okay, sir.
give up easily in an interview. You take
Yes,
some time. You tell to the interviewer that I am trying to recall. Give me some time, right? They'll give you the time, and you can try to write at that time, right?
yes, sir. I gave this count also. I counted this.
Wonderful, wonderful. So that's great thing. Fine. Now let's move with the next question. What is the default value of byte data type in Java?
Why it is a false, sir?
Sorry,
Default value.
what is the default
Yes,
value of a byte data type in Java? You are aware about data types in Java?
sir. It's sir. Data
Okay.
types. Different.
So what is the default value of byte data type in Java?
I think 28, sir. Minus 27 or
No, no. For
28.
byte data type, it would be 0.
Okay, sir.
Huh? And what is the default value of float and double data type in Java?
Float
Float
for 0.0 F, sir.
0.0?
F.
Sorry, 0.0?
F, sir. I think.
F.
Yes, sir.
You are telling F or S?
F, sir.
F. Yeah, correct, correct. 0.0 F is correct, right? What
Yes.
about the double data type? What is the default value of double data type in Java?
Double is 0 only, sir.
It will be 0.0 D,
0.0 D, sir.
D, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the difference between instance variable and a local variable?
Local variables are created inside the method, sir. And instance variables are created, I mean, inside the classes. And we need to, local variables, we need to assign the variables, sir. And instance variables, we can assign or we may not assign the values, sir.
So what is the default value of instance variable and a local variable? Would they have the default values? Both of these variables, would they
I,
have the default values?
null value, I think so. Null
Sorry?
value. Null value, I think so, sir.
Okay.
Null value.
Null value.
Yes.
Okay. Let me tell you the difference between the two. See, instance variable, it is declared outside the method. Local variable is declared within the method. Instance variable has a default value. Local variable does not has any default value. It can instance variable can be used throughout the class. Local variable is limited to the method. The scope is limited to that particular block or to
Particular
that
method.
particular
Yes, sir.
method only, right?
Yes, sir.
For
Yes, sir.
local variable. So that's how it would be. Now, let me ask you further question. Okay. What is the difference between method overloading and method overriding?
Yes, sir. Method
Hmm.
overloading is nothing but the two or more methods having the same method name with the different parameters, and we can do within the class in single class or different classes. And method overloading is nothing but there is a child class and the parent class. They have the same method names, and the only when we create the object for the child class, only the properties of the child class will be executed, and we need to take minimum two classes, sir. Method overloading, method overriding.
Okay. And what did you tell about method overriding?
It can be done in single class or multiple classes, sir.
Yeah, it can be done. So method overloading can be done in the same class. You can increase the number of parameters for some method. You can
Yes, sir.
change the data type, for example. You can change the
Yes.
order of the arguments as well, right?
Order. We can
Yeah,
give different parameters, number of parameters, and data types we can change in the
correct. Yeah.
parameters. Yes,
So
sir.
that is method overloading.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
What is the difference between collection and collections?
Yes, sir. Collection is the interface, sir.
Hmm.
Collections is the class, and collection we have the different collection like list, set, map, and it have the different methods like get and we can get delete. I mean,
See, collection is an interface. It
so
includes methods like add, remove,
add get
size,
remove. So,
right? Those things.
so
Then there are sub interfaces as well, like you have set, you have list, you have queue. Those will extend your collection. What is
collection set.
collections? Collections is actually the class in Java. It is useful for sorting, or you want to reverse, or you want to shuffle. Those kind of
Searching,
things you can
sorting.
do via collections.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
Great, great, wonderful. Okay. Mm, okay. What is the difference between array list and linked list?
Array list and linked list. The
Linked list.
difference is
Mm,
yes, sir. The difference I think so. It is a array list is a synchronized. Linked list is a not synchronized. That is the difference.
okay. What about performance? What about memory?
Performance memory. I'm not sure it is.
No problem. No problem. That's totally fine. See, if you say with respect to performance, so array list is faster for accessing elements. Like if you want to have get, right? While linked list is faster for insertions, for removals, right?
Yeah.
With respect to memory, if you say so, linked list requires more memory, right?
Yes, sir.
The usage perspective, array list will be used more frequently compared to linked list. But if you want to go for insertions, if you want to go for frequent deletions, then you can go for linked list, right? So it depends on your use case. It depends on your requirement. What is your scenario which you want to use, whether it's array list or whether it's linked list. If you want to have for frequently insertions, frequently deletions, you'll go for linked list. If you will want frequent retrievals, you'll go for array list. Right? Is this clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. Okay then, Lakshmi Narayana, I am done with the core Java interview. Do you have any questions for me?
Yeah. Next automation testing.
Right, right. So we'll connect
Yeah.
for automation testing as
Yes.
well. Just give me a second.